We got gas leaking all over the place. Look at that.
Really?
Yep.
From the tank?
Yep.
Oh.
Where's it leaking from? It's not leaking from here, is it?
That's not good.
Maybe there's just too much pressure.
I'm Apple.
And I'm Rob. Join us as we seek out new adventures and escape the 9-to-5 grind.
We travel by land, sea, and air, searching for fun adventures, best-kept secrets, culinary delights, and tasty craft beers.
New episodes weekly.
Thanks for remembering to subscribe. Right there.
She cranked up. I'm so glad it started. It's been 4 months, but we did put it away properly. We ran seafoam through the gas, and we ran the entire carburetor completely dry once we were done last time. So, perfect. Look, there's nobody out here today. The weather service said it was going to be nasty and raining all day, so nobody came to the water. So it's pretty empty. Just a couple of kayakers, maybe a boat or two out here. Other than that, it's beautiful for at least the next couple hours. Yeah, too bad we couldn't put Luna in because we really been wanting to, because it rained all day yesterday. Thunder and lightning, and it just wasn't conducive. So we'll try again next week.
We're going to Whiskey Creek?
Yeah, I thought that's where we were gonna go.
Okay. That's horrible.
Nobody's here because they thought it was going to rain, which it is in a little while, but we're clear for now. Welcome to Whiskey Creek. It's a nice slow day here today. So we could have had a barbecue here today. There's nobody here. I'm sure it's going to be storming in a little bit. Hideout brew. Cheers. Hey, do you recognize this spot right here?
Maybe.
Oh yeah, this is just gonna blow right over.
Yeah, I think so.
Just a little afternoon thunderstorm here. We're at John Lloyd Park, Dania Beach. Of course, this is the spot we got married a year and a half ago. Well, nothing's really changed, just the dunes have grown up a little bit. Glad to be back. So, anyway, we're gonna wait out this little thunderstorm and head back to Hollywood. it's pouring down rain. We're soaking wet.
We made it in time.
Yeah.
Now you see why we won't put Luna in yet?